Hey guys, back here with a quick video for a 2012 Chrysler Town Country. This is my wife's vehicle. Issue with it is we will be driving it and all of a sudden it just cuts off in the middle of the road. Very, very dangerous. Happens on the freeways, on the streets. Sometimes you try to start it and right when you start it turns off. We have to turn the key about 50 times before the car actually stays on. Took it to the dealership. They don't know what's wrong with it, but they never do, right? Different mechanics, they can't figure out the problem. I finally figured out the problem myself. It has to do with the key and the key module. Actually, that part right there, that's the issue. So you guys should try this to test it out yourselves. What you do is put your key inside there, and once you have the key on, see if your key's loose, and you'll be able to even, like, if you just wiggle it a little bit, the car would just turn off. It's just by wiggling the key like that, the car will turn off. That's the issue, is this thing. And this thing at the dealership is $600 to replace, plus you have to get the keys reprogrammed and whatnot. So here's a little quick fix. This is not a permanent fix. I don't want you guys to think that this is a permanent fix. This is just a quick fix that I just did today. This is in a situation where, you know, your car keeps turning off and it's a dangerous situation. You need to get your car running and going and drive it safely until you're able to get that part fixed, or maybe come up with a better solution than what I did. You just take some regular electrical tape, wrap it around this part. That's what I did. I did one thin layer, wrapped it around this part. You can see a little bit of the key right there, of the black tape right there. That's where it's getting brushed against, and it's coming off a little bit, but still, no matter what, keep that black tape in your car and use as many times as you need to until you get that part fixed, because it's really dangerous to drive with that issue. So I'll show you real quick. Put the key, see it's a little tight to put the key in, but once it's in, turn it, car turns on right away. Look at that. Turn it off, one switch. Look at that. Look at that, guys. One more time. Car turns on right away. You can move the key. Look at that. Doesn't come off. This vehicle only has 84,000 miles and it's been nothing but a nightmare for us. I mean, this vehicle right here, we had the engine rebuilt. It was under warranty. We had the transmission rebuilt under warranty. We had to replace so many parts on this vehicle, and now this is the most dangerous problem that we've been dealing with probably for years. I don't even know how long, but recently it's been really, 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 really bad, to the point where it's not drivable. So hopefully this little fix that I did would save you guys, maybe save your guys' lives. You never know, because like I said, this is a faulty problem, which I guarantee will get people in so many accidents and maybe even kill somebody. So a little electrical tape around this part and you guys will be good to go. Just remember, it's a little difficult to get it inside at first, but that's what you actually want, because this thing here is loose. You can't, something's wrong with this module where it loosens up and the key just moves around in here. But now, much better, guys. Look at that. I feel confident to drive this car now and to, you know, actually use it. Before, I couldn't even drive it down the street because it would keep on turning off. All right, guys, thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with other people that have these types of vehicles. It might not only be the vans, but the vehicles that use these types of keys. I don't know, different types of Chrysler and Jeep vehicles. All right, have a nice day.